guys, what is up? My name is Tori Peters. I am an entrepreneur, artist, and author of the book, The Power of Words for Teens. So today I am going to be going over this super simple but honestly probably really underrated concept of blind contour drawing. And so the purpose of blind contour drawing is to help you build up your hand-eye coordination. So I've got a picture and I'm not exactly sure. I'm probably going to be starting to use a completely new editor as of this video. So if I can, I'll put that picture up on the screen in case you're wondering. This is what I'm going to be drawing. It is a pineapple mug with my favorite kind of markers inside there. The markers that I guess I'm still sort of learning how to use them, but I'm enjoying the learning process all the same. So yeah, I'm going to try really hard not to look at my drawing. I've done blind contour drawing a few times in the past, and I really enjoy it, although what comes out is normally not exactly the prettiest thing. It just sort of helps you build where your actual skill is. So yeah, let's see how the drawing itself turns out. I'm kind of excited for this. One way to, yeah, so this is really good. I'll go ahead and just start off. So let's see. I think I'm gonna put the actual thing up above so that like I can't cheat and look at the page. So 1 second and I'll be back to do that. Alright, I'm back and now I can actually start doing this. So don't cheat. I'm gonna put like my hair in the way too. Let's see how this works. So, man, okay, it's already super hard not to like look at the page as I go. Give it a little smile. There we go. I give up. Oh God! What is that? Alright, so as you can see, I like tried to get the handle, and actually the handle didn't turn out too badly. That would be there. And then, so the markers are hanging out of it, and then, oh, the face is actually kind of cute. Like, look at that. If you colored it in right there, you can see the sunglasses. Those are actually like kind of cute stylized sunglasses. And then that would be the shape that was way off. Okay, well that's one example of blind contour drawing. And let me find another object in my room and I'll try and draw that next. As you can tell, I am truly a wonderful critic of my own work. Honestly, when it comes to other people's work, I am always like honestly amazed, and then when it comes to my own work, I'm normally pretty critical. So yeah, and we're gonna try. I'm gonna do the parasol again, but this time I'm gonna try it when it's down and not up. So it'll just be a bunch of straight lines. A lot, probably. Okay, give up. So you can kind of see where I'm getting at. You can see exactly how blind contour drawing works. Obviously, it's not perfect. It won't be perfect. I'm actually surprised that that unicorn mane turned out as amazing as it did. Like, honestly, look at that. That's beautiful. The umbrella, not quite so impressive. And as you can tell, and I don't, oh yeah, that was a pineapple. That was slightly terrifying. Although the sunglasses were slightly impressive as well. So it just shows you like where your hand-eye coordination actually is, and like what you need to improve on as far as that goes. And honestly, the more that you do blind contour drawing, the better off it will be. Another thing that you can do with blind contour drawing is do faces. Figure out how that works. Try drawing exactly what your eye is seeing. Make your pen move the way that that object is shaped. It doesn't have to be in exactly the right space, as is evidenced by the fact that none of my drawings are spatially aware, except for that unicorn mane, which is really surprising. And the sunglasses. That's a thing as well. Wow, I'm actually slightly impressed by that. So yeah, I mean, the deal with blind contour drawing is that it helps you actually draw what your eye is seeing. A lot of times when artists draw, they draw what they think they're seeing, but not actually what their eye is seeing. And so that is what blind contour drawing is there for. It's difficult. You look at your page and you're like, what is that, after you finished it? But then when you actually look at it, you're like, okay, well, obviously, like, that's the top of the umbrella. These were supposed to be over here, but those are the lines that are supposed to connect to this. You know, this goes a little bit closer to the top there, but other than that, it's good. You have the handle here, obviously, and then that's exactly almost what that looks like literally. What else is that? So, you know, you can be okay with a drawing like this. That's one thing that artists grow into. Another thing is that it actually helps you be a lot less of a perfectionist when it comes to your drawings, because like, what is that? If someone just looked at it, and if you hadn't have seen the umbrella picture, then you probably would be like, what? I don't know what that is, you know? All I did was take up two pages of my sketchbook, and since I didn't buy a sketchbook that only had 30 pages for Inktober, like, this is good. It's all right. It makes me a better artist. It helps me with hand-eye coordination, and the more you practice this, the better you're going to get in it. And at some point, you may be freaking amazing when it comes to blind contour drawing. So that's always a bonus. And honestly, with any sort of art skill or any sort of art, like really any skill in general, the more you practice it, the better you'll get. And so that's one thing that, like, almost every artist started off when they were really little. Like, the most amazing artists that you see, they all started off when they were like 5. And so now they're amazing. And if you're just barely starting off and you're just barely like learning how to draw or learning how to be a good artist, then give yourself some slack, because it literally takes practice. And it's taken years for every single artist that you see to be as good as they are. And obviously, practicing with other skills can help you get that hand-eye coordination, but it's the practicing in this particular fashion that will help you the most, probably. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye! Have a great adventure today, guys.